Hi, I'm Vance, and welcome to Repair and Replace. Many refrigerators have a built-in water dispenser. If the water is running slowly or there's a weak flow, then it could be one of several problems. In this episode, we'll do some initial checks and test the water supply. Then, we'll replace the water filter. To begin, you might need a screwdriver or nut driver and an adjustable wrench. You might also need a bucket, plastic container, and a cloth. Some models use a water reservoir. If the fridge is too cold, then ice can form inside the line. Check for any blockages. To melt the ice, you can use a hairdryer or a heat gun on a low setting. Also, it can be helpful to raise the temperature of the fridge compartment. As well, check the line that supplies water to the dispenser. Make sure that the line is not pinched by the door. First, slide the refrigerator out from the wall. Close the shutoff valve to turn off the water supply. Next, use an adjustable wrench to loosen and remove the supply line. Let any remaining water drain into a plastic container. It's best to check if there's sufficient water pressure. Place the end of the water line into a small bucket. Now open the shutoff valve. There should be a steady stream of water. If the flow is weak, then check the line to see if there are any blockages. If the water pressure is still low, then it's best to call a plumber. Reconnect the water supply and tighten the connection. Open the shutoff valve. Plug in the cord to reconnect the power. Now slide it back into place. Make sure to leave a couple of inches of space between the refrigerator and the wall. This will allow for proper airflow. If the filter is clogged, then it will restrict the flow of water. Keep in mind there is some variation between models. To know which water filter you'll need, enter your model number on the AMRE Supply website. From here, you'll see a parts diagram with the exact replacement parts listed on the side. Before anything else, it can be good to shut off the ice maker to prevent it from drawing any water. The water filter is often near the top of the fridge. As well, it might be located behind the kick plate. In many cases, the filter is hidden behind a cover. Simply press the tab to open the cover. Some water filters will be removed by twisting counterclockwise. With other models, you'll have to push the filter in for it to pop out. In some cases, you'll have to press a button that will release the filter. Remove any caps or covers that are protecting the new filter. Now align the filter in the housing and push it into place. In some models, you'll have to turn the filter clockwise until it locks. If needed, close the cover. Next, turn on the ice machine. Finally, run water through the filter for about 3 minutes to help flush out any air trapped in the lines. If you've eliminated all other problems, then it could be an issue with the water valve. You can see how to replace this in the video linked below. If you like this and want to see more tutorials and informational videos, then subscribe to our channel. And if you need help, you can call or visit an AMRE location to talk with our knowledgeable staff. Thanks for watching.